Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khobor ki baman ta kasngi ka Jingpluh Iing kabalaja ha kasngi sajan kala shimpor palat arab sau kenta bante elkam iya kadeng wat lada layar aplang dagi bor sipai Air Force kumtan nakaliang ka sarkar Jylla Rangbah Conrad ke sangma ula Bthah Iaki he sarkar ban Pynlong iya ka jing toket Conrad ke sangma Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla habalik jurip iya kadeng Jingpluh ka Iing ka Singkhania ha thana road police bazar ula Bthah ban le iya ka fire safety audit hapo ka Jylla iya kadeng jinglek jurip pluding Jong Myntri Rangbah bat laya shonglang ban bishar kam bat ki he Ophisar la senran iya ketika jinglek jurip Jong Myntri Rangbah iya ketika jaka kebala pluding la senran lang da u chief secretary ka Jylla ba DP walang bat u DGP Dr. RL Bishnoi lembat kiwe ki he Ophisar.
Just visited the site of the fire incident that took place in this bazaar 48 hours back, and it was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident and an accident that took place, and we do express our sympathies and our concerns to the families that were affected by the fire and the accident that took place. I would like to mention that this had a very, very big potential to be a very disastrous situation because this was in the middle of the market area, a very congested area and a very difficult area for the fire services and other services to come in and do their work. But in spite of the challenges, the different departments, especially the fire service, the army, the air force, the Assam Rifles, the BSF, and the community and all the other officials from different departments had come in and really worked very hard. If you can see behind me, the buildings are very close, and even behind the buildings there were other small residential areas. But in spite of these challenges, the department and the officials were able to contain, and the fire did not spread beyond this particular building, and that in itself is something that I must thank and appreciate the work that has been done by the officials from, as I said, the departments, the fire service, the police, the administration, and NDRF, SDRF, and of course the armed forces, and a special mention to the armed forces who really supported us in this very, very difficult and complicated situation. And the community was also very supportive of us. At the same time, this is also, of course, a situation where a detailed investigation will be done, and we will go into details of the reasons why this has happened. And of course, we will also go into issues of how to make sure that these kind of complicated situations are avoided and can be stopped in the future, and also to measures on which how we could improve the overall service and the response that we will give. Though the response here was very swift, we still have a challenge. The building was also in a way a go down, and hence it had got a lot of materials inside, be furnitures or other kind of plastic materials, and therefore those kind of materials also inside led to the challenges. And as I said, in spite of all those challenges, the fire did not spread to other buildings, and that was in itself a great achievement. But as I said, we need to go into details and find out what has happened, how it happened, and what measures to take in the future to ensure that not just in Shillong but in any other part of the state, we avoid these kind of situations. Safety audits and other audits will need to be done. All of these will be examined. We are having a cabinet meeting on the 18th, and a detailed discussion will happen on that day.